Okay, y'all, simple project for today. If you are wanting to change out your dome lights, I've got a 2013 two-door Jeep Wrangler JK Sport. My dome light is right here, very simple to do. I'm actually changing out the factory little bulbs, incandescent bulbs, to a set of red LED. I don't know why, but I'm gonna try them because I liked them. So it's really simple. I have a glove on just to give me some grip, but you don't really need a glove. There's really no tool required for this. You just grab it. This is the back, by the way, right here. I just grab it and you just kind of pull and pop. Be careful with it though, and kind of wiggle it a little. You'll open it up and then set that aside. And you're gonna just grab and pinch those little bulbs and you're gonna wiggle them out. Whoops, I just dropped one. I'll have to find that in a minute. But just to show you what they look like, they're just right there. And that's what it looks like. So these are my new bulbs. I forgot to mention, if you have those bulbs on, if your door is open, turn those bulbs off by shutting your door. Let them cool off a little bit. They get really, really hot, all right? These are super cool, bought them on Amazon. They're just little replacement LED bulbs, or little LED lights rather. They're not bulbs. And you just literally slide them in there just like that. And here's the other one. And it slides in there just like that. Super cool. Make sure they're in there nice and tight. Okay. I'm going to open my door real quick. I'm going to let those turn on. My Jeep has a couple of electrical ghosts, so mine has a delay sometimes. Anyway, there you have it. They are turned on. I'm going to find this little plastic case that covers them. And I'm going to pop that little sucker back on there. And there you have it. Voila. Super cool, super easy. Took me about 2 minutes. Okay guys, so here's another bulb that we're going to change, the license plate bulb. And really, see those two little tiny tabs in there? You're just going to pinch those together like so. Pull that out of there. Okay. And it's kind of hard to do when I'm using one hand, but you just twist that bulb out of there just like that. And then this is the new bulb that we're going to put in. So I'm going to pull this bulb out and I'll show you the new bulb once it's put in. So there is the new LED bulb, and then we're going to put the cover back on it. Okay, so the cover's back on, twisted that back in there, and you are literally going to slide that in there, and you heard that little click and it popped itself back in right there, and you are done. That was all right, y'all. So we changed out these 3 incandescent bulbs, the 2 for my dome lights. This one was for my license plate indicator. And this kit that I actually bought came with 2 LED lights for license plate. If you have 2, mine only had 1, so I didn't need it. This also came with it. This is for a additional interior light for the back inside of your Jeep. Mine does not have that. So anyway, it comes with it. If yours has it, use it. If it doesn't, then no need for it. Anyway, I hope this helped. Again, I am not a mechanic. I am not a professional. I'm just a guy that likes to fix stuff on his own. So I hope this helped.